Hi children, welcome back. Please open page number 15 in Math Magic 1. NCERT textbook for Mathematics Class 1. In this we are going to learn about shapes. So do you find these shapes very familiar? Yes, you know all this. You must have known all these. You know all these are triangles, right? Triangle means a shape which has three sides. 1, 2, 3, right? How many triangles are here on the left side? This is left side of this line and this is right side. L for left, R for right. Okay, on the left side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles on the left side. And on the right side, how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay, now we need to match the shapes of same sizes. Okay, the first one you see, this line is drawn here. This is matching with this triangle. So let us draw it again like this, right? Both are looking to be of the same shape. Okay, now the next one. Let us give numbers to these triangles. Say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Small triangle, right? On the right side also, let us give the numbers. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And the number 1 triangle on the left side is matching with number 3 on the right side. These two are of the same size, right? Let us see which one matches with the triangle number 2 on the left side. We'll start matching from the top. Will this 2 match with 1? No. 1 on the right side is smaller than the number triangle 2 on the left side, right? Okay. Now will it match number 2 on the right side? Just check the other shapes. I think yes. This number 2 triangle on the left side matches with number 2 triangle on the right side. Let us draw a line from here to here. Okay? Now, you see the triangle number 3 on the left side. Let us see with which it matches. Number 2 and number 3 triangles are already matched. Let us try to match with 1 on the right side. No, it will not match, right? Because 1 triangle is small compared to triangle 3 on the left side. So will it match with number 4 on the right side? Yes, it seems this number 3 and number 4 are of the same size. Let us draw a line from 3 to 4. Yes, these are of the same size. Okay, now you see triangle number 4 on the left side. Let us see with which it matches on the right side. This is right side, right? Okay, let us try to match with the first triangle, number 1 on the right side. Will it match? No. 1 is small compared to number 4 here, right? So what is left in this? Triangle number 5. On the right side, triangle number 5 seems of the same size as triangle 4 on the left side, right? Agree? Yes. 4 here on the left, 5 on the right are of the same size. Let us draw a line from here to 5. Okay? Now, triangle number 5, the smallest of all these triangles. Let us see with which it matches on the right side. You see, triangle number 1 on the right side seems of the same size. This number 5 triangle seems to be matching with number 1 triangle on the right side. Both are of the same shape. Okay, let us draw a line from here to 1 on the right side. We have matched the shapes of the same size in this. Okay, now turn to the next page. Open page number 16 in MathMagick 1. Okay, in this we have some shapes. You know these shapes? Can you tell? What is this? This is circle. The next one is quadrilateral or parallelogram. You see, the opposite sides are same. This one, these two are same, and these two are same. These sides are not at right angle. This is slightly shifted to the right? This is called parallelogram or quadrilateral. Quadri means 4. It has 4 sides. That's why it is called quadrilateral. You know square? Square is also quadrilateral. But all the sides are of the same size at right angle. And 4 corners are at right angle for the square. Okay, the next one is triangle. Tri means 3. Okay, so it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Triangle. The next one is rectangle. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. You see, this side is matching with the other side, opposite side. And this side is matching with this side. Both are equal. Okay, this is rectangle. And below this, what is this? This is half circle. On the top, we have seen full circle, right? If you cut the circle into 2, you will get this half circle, right? It is half. Like if this is a circle, then if you cut like this, then this is one half circle, this is another half circle, right? Okay. So what is next? This is pentagon. Penta means 5. This shape has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. This is called pentagon. Okay? Now let us match these shapes on the left side, L for left, to the shapes on the right side, or for right. Okay? So the first one is circle. So on the left side circle, let us see what matches on the right side. Not this half circle, not this rectangle, not this pentagon, not this quadrilateral. This circle, this circle on the left side matches with the circle on the right side. This is the line we have drawn. Okay, the next is quadrilateral parallelogram. This one. On the right side, let us see with which it matches. Not half circle, not rectangle, not pentagon. Yeah, this seems to be of the same shape. Let us draw a line from this quadrilateral to this quadrilateral on the right side. Okay. Next, this is triangle. Let us see with which it matches on the right side. This is the line we have drawn, matching the same shape. Okay, the next one is rectangle. Okay, let us see with which it matches. Not half circle. This is rectangle, right? You see the blue line here? Let us draw it once again. From here to this. Both are of same shape. Both are of same shape. Both are rectangles and are of same shape. Okay? The next is half circle here. Okay, let us see where is half circle on the right side. You see the first one is half circle. Okay, let us draw a line from this half circle to the half circle on the right side. Yes, this is half circle and this is half circle on the left side. What is next? This is pentagon. This shape has 5 sides. That is why it is called pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. Let us draw a line from this pentagon to same shape on the right side. Let us see where is that. Yes, this third shape is pentagon. Right? Let us draw a line from this pentagon to this pentagon. Yes, done. We have matched the same shapes. Now you can identify the shapes, right? Of the same shapes or different shapes. And you know the sizes also, right? On the left, on page 13, we have learned the sizes. Big triangle, small triangle, smallest triangle, right? We have done the matching the shapes of same sizes here. Let us learn more in the next class. Bye for now.